very good morning, everyone. Today I'm gonna be watching Tesla for upside. Had a nice dip buy yesterday. So if we get above, we are holding above 400. So 403 R3. If we get above this, then I'm watching it for upside. Apart from that, HIMS was a stock that had news yesterday. Did not do anything. Was very extended yesterday, but today we are actually above the prior day's high. So yeah, I don't trade the stock. I don't trade stocks in this price range because I trade options and I can trade equities as well, but my platform is not set up so that you guys won't be able to see anything. But yeah, I can if I want to, I can trade it, but I also have options on HIMS. I don't think so trading options is going to be a good idea, but we will see. The first thing is that change everything to March 13th expiry, which is Friday. I like to stick with the Friday expiry for now. Can go for Wednesday expiry as well, to be honest, on Tesla. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna stick with Friday. If I'm green, then I can mess around with the Wednesday expiry, which is tomorrow's expiry. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Tesla, I have like NVIDIA, Meta on the sidelines, but basically I think most of the stocks are just following what the market is doing. So yeah, Tesla, I like the setup on Tesla. I like the 1 hour chart on Tesla without the extended hours. We are actually kind of making a bull flag on the 1 hour chart without the extended hours. So yeah, looks nice. Let's see what we do near the yesterday's high. 2 days ago high and yesterday's high and R3 in between 401 and 403. So that's going to be major. For now, we still have 4 minutes to go. I'm going to pause this recording and see you guys around 9:30. Yep, 9:29 a.m. Tesla is actually setting up nicely. I like to see this push up before the open. We can see on the Bookmap and the price action. R3, I don't want it to get smacked from R3, but yeah, I'm willing to take like small size if it actually moves right at open. Maybe big, who knows? Depends on the intuition factor of the open, how much I like the setup. No fill for me. No, it filled me. Yeah, my fill was really bad, man. I don't like the fact that we are unable to hold above 405. Yeah, I'm gonna exit for now. Very small green trade, yeah. It's not really good. The momentum is not there. Let's see. Let's wait for this 5 minutes close, I guess. But yeah, pretty much a break-even trade. Above 405, I wanted to see some momentum. Just did not happen. New seller at 405. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait it out a bit. I did not see it, but yeah, makes sense why it's unable to hold above 405. So we tried to go above 405, did break above 405. No continuation, not a lot of green right here, not a lot of buying volume, and then we had new seller. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for a hold above 405. The 5 minutes close is pretty decent. I still like it. I think my fill was also really bad. I tried to get filled at 3.85, 4.15. So this fill would have been nice. This 4.40 fill was actually really bad. Yeah. See. This is how Bookmap helps you. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is, guys, new ladder resistance. This is what we talk about inside the Summit Academy. New ladder resistance right here. New sellers, new sellers. This can actually be a good example for the Summit Academy case study. We have plenty of examples like these ones, like this one. Inside the Summit Academy, we have a whole section. So if you see something like that, then more often than not, first we are going to see downside. And if the upside comes in, then it comes in. But seeing something like this is not ideal. It's not ideal. So I'm going to wait for these sellers to fill, these sellers to get absorbed and a hold above these levels. Nice R3 retest, really nice. So they are, technically speaking, looks really good. But based on the tape right here, we are seeing new sellers. That makes me a bit iffy. This was a stupid. My risk was on this trade was around like $2,000 and I made $350. Pretty much a break-even trade. I'm telling you, my fill was really bad. So pretty much a break-even trade for me. Yeah, again, new sellers at 404 point, right under 404.80. Yeah, I don't think so. It's gonna go. I actually like it for 400 breakdown for downside now. If we actually go for low of the day, I'm going to try the 400 breakdown with small size because it's still pretty bullish on the technicals. If the technicals and tape are aligning with each other, then I like to increase my size. If the technical is downside, the tape, the overall price, the technical still looks bullish, right, on the daily chart. So I don't like increasing my position sizing on such a setup. They should complement each other, the price action and the tape. If it's not complementing each other, then there is something wrong. Yeah, I feel like it's going to go for 400. I don't know. I have a feeling, but I'm going to wait for a hold under R3. The prior day's high, the 2 days ago high. We have quite a few supports right here. So if I see these supports breaking, then I'm going to take it for low of the day. Yeah, even the downside is very iffy. You guys can see right here, no real selling volume. These red dots did not come in. That's why I did not execute. So yeah, as of now, nothing clean. Gotta wait. If you see something like that, it's not like you have to execute. Stay patient. Patience is the name of the game. It's called PAYTIENCE. I'm gonna tell you. So it's called PAY. Patience. Yeah, sorry for my handwriting. I'm using my mouse to type. But patience with the letter P. That's the name of the game. Patience. I hope you guys can see it. But yeah, I'm using my mouse to type, so the handwriting is gonna be like that. Did it even work? Yeah, it should have worked. Yeah, it's 9:43. Nothing for now. Yeah, I think it's going for 400. Let's see. Still not good. Yeah. Man, better to stay away from this price action. Gonna wait it out. Dip got bought back up. We have new sellers here. New buyers, new sellers. So when we try to break down under 402, see the tape is going to show you new buyers. 404, new sellers. So that's how you use tape reading. I think more than live executions, this video is going to be really useful, helpful for your live Bookmap lesson. And again, guys, we are affiliated with Bookmap, so you can try it out for fairly cheap. There will be a link in the description box below. We are affiliated with Lightspeed and Bookmap. I only affiliate with the companies I actually use. So you can try out Bookmap. Click on that link, check out the special offers section. There will be a separate section called special offers. Check that out. And yeah, the link is in the description box below. For Lightspeed, it's 50% off the commissions, which are like, the commissions are already cheaper than Interactive Brokers. On top of that, you get $130 a month for this platform is free for the first 3 months. But even after that, if you generate more than $130 in commissions, which is pretty easy to do if you trade like 15, like 50, 100 contracts. But if you trade like 5, 10, because the commissions are cheap, you might not reach 130. I mean, it's pretty easy to reach $130 in commissions, to be honest. I pay easily thousands of dollars in commissions. If you reach that, the platform fee is waived. So you either pay $130 in commissions or you pay for the platform fees. But if you sign up using the link in the description box below, the platform is free regardless for the first 3 months. After 3 months, then $130 in commissions, platform is free. If not, then not. But yeah, for now, it's just barcode price action. But yeah, I like it more for upside than downside. Based on the technicals, we held above R3. So yeah, I'm still going to wait to see if we actually hold above 404.5, maybe even 405. But yeah, downside is off the cards for now. The beauty of day trading is that you have to be flexible. You have to be adaptable. A lot of people say that. I used to get this comment earlier on that you were looking at the stock for upside. Why did you trade downside? Becky, you are a day trader. So you have to adjust to the market conditions. And that's why I'm breaking it down. Like, you need to have a game plan in both the directions. And even if you have a game plan in one direction, you should be adaptable. You should be you should be dynamic. You should be flexible in modifying your perspective, in modifying your point of view about the market. But yeah, this is pretty garbage. I might actually call it for the day. Yeah, the upside also going down. Yeah, I think I'm going to call it for the day, guys. This is going to be a good video for the Unscripted channel because it's just education, right? Full on education. And I think it's going to be a really good video. It's a nice Bookmap lesson. Instead of taking this as an execution, because my risk on this trade was easily $2,000, more like 2.5K because of the fill, and I made 350. So there's nothing to learn from the execution. Did not work out, and I just managed it nicely still. But the lesson is how you can use Bookmap to kind of judge, to kind of anticipate that the price action is going to be like this. Downside, new buyers; upside, new sellers. Downside, new buyers; upside, new sellers. So the price is going to be stuck in a range. As and when we break that range and this dynamic between the buyers and sellers, it changes, then it's the time to execute. If that happens, I'm going to continue this recording. If not, thank you for watching. If you guys like this commentary, this live breakdown of Bookmap, do let me know in the comment section below. You can try out Bookmap, affiliate link, Lightspeed affiliate link, and I will see you guys in the next one. And before you go, guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel, subscribe if you are here from my main channel, because the views are not equivalent to the subscribers. So most likely you're not subscribed to this channel. So you should subscribe, right? Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.